Alright you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys really quick how to connect your PC and your PS4 account for Fortnite. Your PS4 account will override your PC, so if you have any PC progress, I don't recommend doing this. Unless you're on like a really low level, or if you don't care, then go for it. So what you're going to want to do is open up your web browser, look up Epic Games. Now go to the Epic Games site. There's another way you can do this, but this is probably the easiest way, less confusing. Go ahead and go to the Fortnite tab. Okay, go ahead and go to PlayStation. Now you're going to want to log in with your PlayStation details. So if I did mine, then I'm going to go ahead and let me do a PlayStation account that's not linked to my ex's account. So let me see if she changes the password. Okay, so go ahead and sign in with your PSN account. Then it's going to ask you to fill out this little form right here. What you're going to want to do is you can use any email. This will be your PC account, because in order to link your PS4 account to PC, you need a PC account. So go ahead and put an email, blah blah blah, 123@gmail.com. Put your email there, your display name. This will be your display name for PC. So this is how PC players are going to be able to add you. Go ahead and fill out your name, create an account, and then you're pretty much done. So now PC players, whenever they want to play with you, just give them your display name. So say your display name is Spider-Man 1234. Give them this name, and they'll be able to add you, and vice versa.